হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভাইয়া, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ।
ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম। কেমন আছেন আপনি? আমি তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি।
এই তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। সো ভাইয়া, আপনি তো আমাদের থেরাপি ব্যাচে ক্লাস করছেন, রাইট?
জি, আপনাদের থেরাপি ব্যাচে ক্লাস করছি।
সো হাউ ইজ দ্য এক্সপিরিয়েন্স সো ফার উইথ দ্য বেস ক্যাম্প?
Okay, as far as you were talking about the experience of base camp and the therapy class, one thing first I'm gonna consider is like the quality. You know what? We are getting great quality of teaching methods over here. I think we won't be able to get anywhere else. And you know what? The way they teach us, like you know what? If a guy who's reading at class 6 or 7, if he comes over here, he might gonna get more than at least 5, because he's a 6 or 7 year girl or guy. But you know what? Whatever we are getting right now, at least we should have get more than 7. And in terms of you know what, the span of time the classes we are getting is like from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's a long span of time, and we are getting the break for an hour, and the rest of the time we are just learning everything the way we should learn. And another thing which I want to consider is like you know what, the flexibility. You know what, things that can happen to a people's life, and you know what, you can have emergencies and this that, but if you are the person who just came to the class late, and the teacher, what he's gonna do, you know, it's like he's gonna start it from the beginning just to let you know that this is the topic you guys were discussing about, and you just can get it. And you know what, another thing, if you're looking for a good IELTS guidance and the good teaching methods, you know what, this is the perfect place. And you know what, your money is gonna talk. It's the value to money thing which I'm gonna say.
Okay, thank you very much ভাইয়া, and all the very best to you.
Thank you so much.